Hi, this is Bharti. Today I am making tomato ketchup. Yes, it is very simple and easy process. Everything you need is fully ripened tomatoes. There shouldn't be any discoloration and your tomatoes have to be firm. Tomatoes are in the list of top 10 fruits and vegetables for containing levels of pesticide residue. So, always wash tomatoes before you use. Now add water to cover tomatoes. And put it on the stove. Here we are not cooking it. Just when the skin of the tomato start cracking, it is the time to turn off your stove. See, the skin comes out very easily. Now cool your tomatoes. Peel off the skin and trim the core of the tomato. We don't want this part of the tomato. This is very hard. You take it off and cut your tomatoes into 4 pieces. Now it is the time to add flavor to your ketchup. And everything we need: 3 cloves, 1 small stick of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 small onion slices. And you need to cook it till it gets tender, and after it is completely cooked, blend it and make a smooth paste. Strain your tomato paste. You can store tomato ketchup for 1 to 2 months without adding any preservative. Everything you need to do is you need to put it in the fridge. In case if you want to last your tomato ketchup for longer, like 6 months or a year, you need to add 1 teaspoon of sodium benzoate, and you need to sterilize your bottles before filling it. Now you got thick paste of tomatoes. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We need to put it back on stove. Cook till the sauce thickens. This has to be the consistency of your tomato ketchup. Fill it in a sterilized bottle.